What's up guys, it's your boy Rex and welcome back to the channel guys. So today guys, I'm going to show you guys another step-by-step method you can use and start making some sales very fast on Clickbank using free traffic guys. So be sure to watch this video step by step till the end, and if you take action on this method guys, you can start getting some free traffic and you can start making some sales on Clickbank guys. So if you're watching the channel, you know I've been making sales on Clickbank, so I make sales every day consistently on Clickbank guys, and most of this is from paid traffic and some of this is from free traffic guys. So you can use this free traffic strategy I'm going to show you guys today. You can make some extra money very fast, then you can use it and invest it on paid traffic to get sales consistently every day guys. So if you want to get my step-by-step method I'm using to make sales like this consistently every day, you can click the first link in the description. I can get my step training method. I'm going to show you guys how you can go and use paid advertisement and start making some sales like this very fast guys. So that's it guys. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel to get notified anytime that I post new videos on how to make money online and Clickbank earning methods guys. And you want to get my course for completely free, what you're going to do is you're going to comment on this video if you like on the video and subscribe to the channel as well. You're going to have a chance to get my course for completely free guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a random winner for the last video. So I'm going to copy the URL of the last video and I'm going to go to random YouTube comment picker and we're going to pick a lucky winner for my course guys. So I'm going to input, I'm going to get YouTube comments. I'm going to pick a random winner guys. So I'm going to click on start, and if you are the winner of this course guys, what you're going to do, you're going to send me a message on Instagram. I'm going to leave my Instagram handle in the description, and you're going to send me a message and I'm going to send you the training for completely free guys. So that's it guys. So let's get into the video. Let me show you guys a step-by-step method you can use and start getting some free traffic and start making some sales fast, very fast on Clickbank guys. So let's get into the video guys. Alright guys, so the first step as always that we're going to go and choose a product we're going to be promoting. So I'm going to show you guys the exact strategy you can go and use right today and start basing some free traffic and making sales. So the first step is you're going to go to the affiliate marketplace. We're going to choose a product that's already converting very well. Then we're going to go and send traffic to that particular product and we can make a lot of sales. So just going to click on search on the affiliate marketplace. We're going to choose some of the top converting products that other affiliates are already making sales with it. We're going to promote those products as well. So we are going to sort by gravity, and you can see that the Leptitox system is the highest converting and it's paying a high commission guys. So that's guys, you are going to choose one particular product. We're going to promote it using this exact method. So what you can do is you can promote different affiliate products using this exact method I'm going to be showing you guys today. So be sure to watch step by step and take action on this method guys. So let's say for example we want to promote this particular product, the Leptitox system. What you're going to do is you're going to go and make sure that you can make a lot more money on this particular product. So if you go to the affiliate page, the affiliate area, I want to make sure that there are upsells and you can make a lot more money if you're going to be promoting this particular product. So always make sure that there are upsells in any product you want to promote, because you can make a lot more money if there are upsells in the product guys. So for this particular product guys, I've promoted this particular product and you can make a lot of money in the upsells. So I'm going to be promoting this particular product for this particular example. So you can choose for example the Cinderella solution. There are many other products you can choose in other categories that you can go and use. So you can promote products in health and fitness, self-help and spirituality using this exact method I'm going to be showing you guys today. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and promote this product very easily guys. So let me show you guys step by step how you're going to go and promote this product using free traffic guys. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to this website. I'm going to go to the website called findaforum.net. So that's the URL of the website, findaforum.net. So what we're going to do is we're going to find some forums that we're going to go and promote our affiliate product on. So I'm going to show you guys the exact strategy I'm going to use right today. I can get a lot of traffic guys. So be sure to watch step by step. So what we're going to do is that once you choose a product you're going to be promoting, you're going to go to this website, findaforum.net, and you're going to find forums that you can go and post there and you can promote your products for completely free. I'm going to show you guys the strategy. So since we are promoting this product, the Leptitox system, this is a weight loss product. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to findaforum.net and we're going to find a forum that we can go on promote our products on. So we're going to type for example lose weight. It's going to bring us weight loss type of forum that we can go on promote our products on. So I just type lose weight and you can see the different forums that is showing right here. So you can see this one, mini means, you can see 3 fat chicks, you can see different other forums that you can go on, check them out and you can promote your products on guys. So you can click on this one. So let's open this one for example. Let's see the information about this other websites. So let's open this one for example. So you can see this particular one for example. You can see that it's a very big forum guys. So it's ranked 73 out of 1000 forums. So this is a very big forum that I can go on promote your affiliate products on, guys. So you can see it's based in Germany. I can see that has up to 6 million posts, which means that there's a lot of people in this website, and you can go on promote your products and can make a lot of sales on this particular forum, guys. So I'm going to do that. I can click on view forum. I'm going to go to the forum. I can go on sign up for a free account on that forum, and you can start promoting your affiliate products using the exact strategy I'm going to be showing you guys. So let's open. So this is the website. So this is the website, guys, and all you can do is I can go on sign up for completely free, and you can start promoting your products on this website. So you can see, for example, this particular website is getting a lot of traffic, guys. You can see different threads. You can see 13,000 threads, it's 4,000 posts. So you can see, guys, you're getting a lot of traffic. You can see this one. So you can see one, for example, has up to 2 million posts on this particular one, guys. So you can know that this particular website is getting a lot of traffic, guys. You can see 2 million posts on this one, 500,000 posts on this, and you're going to go and join this Whalers forums, and you're going to use the exact method I'm going to be showing you guys, and you can promote your products on this website very easily, guys. So let's open the other website. So there was the other forum. So let's open and let's see this particular forum. So you can see the forum. What you can do is I can see it's hosted in the United States, and he has a lot of members as well. So you can see this one has up to 186,000 members, guys. So 186,000 members, you can make a lot of money from up to 186,000 members, guys. You can see it has up to 4 million posts on this particular website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on visit forum, and you're going to check out the forum, and you can sign up for a free account, and you can start promoting your affiliate products on that website. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose one forum. So you want to promote any affiliate products. So let's say, for example, you're promoting, for example, the diabetes remedy. So you can see, for example, the diabetes remedy. You can go to this website and can type, for example, diabetes, and you're going to find a forum. You're going to try to find a forum for diabetes. So let's search, for example, let's see if you're going to find any forums for this particular one, guys. So let's see. So you can see there are diabetes forums already, so you can go and join some of these, guys. So you can do that by promoting any other different products. All you're going to do is just go and search on find a forum.net, and you're going to find a lot of different forums, guys. So let's type, for example, woodworking. So let's type, for example, woodworking right here, and let's see if you can find any forum for woodworking. So let's see woodworking. So you can see woodworking talk. So these are different woodworking forums that you can go and join, and you can promoting Clickbank woodworking products on these websites for completely free, guys. So I'm going to show you guys an example of the product we're going to promoting. Since we are promoting the latest stock system, we're going to choose one particular forum, guys. So I'm going to show you guys one particular forum. This particular forum, we're going to be promoting this product on this particular forum, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and sign up for a free account on this website, and you can start promoting your affiliate products on this website. So for this particular forum, I already signed up for a free account. What you're going to do is you're going to go and create simple posts, and you're going to send messages as well. So let me show you guys how you can do this step by step. So once you go to this forum, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to the categories that has the highest amount of threads. If they have the highest amount of posts, which means that a lot of people are visiting those particular categories, and you want to go and promote your products in the categories that is getting the highest amount of traffic. So you can see this one has only 800 threads. You want 500 threads. So what you're going to do, you're going to look for the ones that has the highest amount of threads. For example, you can see this one has 27,000 threads. You can see this one 55,000. So this is the type of category I want to go and promote our affiliate products on, guys. So let's search for the other ones. So you can see that this particular one is the highest amount of threads. The one that has 55,000 threads, which means that it's getting a lot of traffic, and you can see has up to 1 million posts, guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to this particular category, and we're going to promote our affiliate products in this particular category. So this one is called support groups. What we're going to do, we're going to click on any of these. We're going to promote our affiliate products in one of these categories. So for this example, I'm just going to click on this 100 LB club. So I'm just going to click on this one, and we're going to be able to post on this particular forum, guys. So you can see these are different posts that people have posted on this forum. So you can see that a lot of people are visiting this forum, and you can make a lot of money if you are going to be promoting affiliate products on this forum, guys. You can see yesterday. So people are posting constantly on this forum, and you can go and make a lot of money on this particular forum, guys, using this exact method. So what you can do is that if you go to this forum, you can also add a new thread. So you can see there's an option for you to add a new thread right here. What you can do is that you can write a simple article, and you can link people back to your affiliate offer. So to do that, guys, you can just write a simple article right here and about losing weight, and you can go and promote your affiliate products. So what I can do is I can go to this website design articles, and you're going to find articles about how to lose weight. You're going to give weight loss tips, and you're going to be promoting your affiliate products. So let's say, for example, how to lose weight fast. How to lose weight fast, and you're going to find, for example, how to lose belly fat at home without exercise. So we're going to search, for example, this one, and we're going to find a lot of articles that can go on, use and post on that particular forum, and can link people back to our affiliate offer, guys. So let's say, for example, we find this particular post. You can just open it, and you can just copy this post, and we can promote our affiliate products on this website, guys. So let's open this one, for example. So you can see the entire article, guys. So what you can do is you can summarize some of this article, and you can just copy some of the parts of this article, and at the end you're going to promote your affiliate product. So you can see that most of these articles that are posted on design articles are already promoting an affiliate product, so it's going to make it easier for you to give the call to action. So what you're going to do is that this call to actions, you're going to replace it with the links back to your landing page. So you don't want to post your affiliate link on these groups, on these forums, because most of the time your affiliate link is going to get banned. So you want to use a simple landing page to link people from these forums to your affiliate offer. So you can use free tools. For example, you can use Wix to create a simple landing page. You can use Linktree. You can use a lot of tools that can help you to link out of these forums to your affiliate link. So for example, let's say I'm just going to copy this one. So I can just copy some of this. I can also copy the headline, and I'm just going to paste this on this website, guys. So I'm just going to go back to the new thread. I can just paste this as my headline. I'm just going to copy the entire thread. So I'm just going to copy this, for example. So for example, I'm just going to leave it right here. I'm just going to go on. I'm just going to paste the entire article. And that's it, guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to delete this, and we're going to add call to actions inside our article, guys. So you can see this is a call to action. So what we're going to do is that we can go on, replace this with a link back to our landing page, guys. So you can just delete this. You can just delete this. Then how to lose weight. And that's it, guys. So you can input your affiliate link right here. So it's going to be a link back to your landing page, guys. So we're going to do is we're going to highlight that, and you're going to include a link, guys. So it's very easy. So for this particular weight loss forum, you can just highlight this, and you can just click on this link icon, insert link, and you're going to insert a link back to your landing page, guys. So for this example, I'm just going to type it to go to google.com. For this example, I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm going to click on OK, and that's going to be a link, guys. So what we're going to do is that we're going to go and post simple articles like this, and we're going to link people back to our landing page. And if people go back to our landing page, they're going to go back to our affiliate product, and if they buy the product, we're going to make a commission, because the people that are visiting these forums are people that want to lose weight, and they're looking for a solution to lose weight. So you're going to promoting our affiliate product and help them to lose weight, guys. So that's it, guys, for this particular forum. All you're going to do is you're going to input some tags. For example, input tags, for example, fitness. And that's it, guys. You can see lose weight. These are different tags that you can go and use on this particular forum. And what you're going to do is that at the end, you're just going to click on submit thread, and your thread is going to be posted on this website, guys. So your post is going to be posted on this website. It's going to be on this particular category. It's going to be like the other ones are posted. So these are other posts that people have posted. Your post is also going to show right here, and your people are going to go and read this post. And at the end, they're going to see a link back to your landing page, and they're going to click over to your landing page. And as they click over to your landing page, you're going to be getting free traffic, and you can make a lot of sales, as it's going to be promoting a weight loss product, guys. So what you can do is you can go and find a lot of these forums, and you can post on many of these forums, and you can be getting a lot of free traffic every day, guys. So another advantage that you can go and do on these particular forums, for example, is that you can go and send people messages, guys. So the members of these forums are people that want to lose weight. I can also go and send them messages. So let me show you guys an example. So let's say, for example, we want to send a message to the owner of this thread, guys, because the person that is posting this is someone that is interested in losing weight. So what you can do is that you can go and click on this one, for example, and you can go and send them a message, guys. So let's open this one. And what you can do is that for this particular one, you can go and send them a message. So what you can do for me is that you can go and click on their accounts. You can click on view their profile. And you can also send them a message, and I can talk about your affiliate product, guys. You can see, for example, you can send a message. You can write a simple message there. You can talk about your affiliate products, and you can send them a link back to your landing page, and you can message a lot of people on these forums, and you can make a lot of sales, guys. So that's it, guys. You can send them simple messages, and you can link people back to your affiliate offer. So you can write a simple message like this, and you can add like a link. For example, click on this link, input your link, and then click on OK, and you're going to send them a message with a link, guys. So you can go and message many people in different forums, and you can talk about your affiliate products, send them back to your landing page. You can make a lot of sales from these forums, guys. So that's a simple method I'm show you guys. You can use right today. You can start getting a lot of free traffic and can start making some extra money with this particular method for completely free. And can use that money and invest it on paid traffic and start making a lot more money consistently every day on Clickbank, guys. So that's it, guys. So if you found value in this video, be sure to leave a like on this video as well. And you want to learn my step-by-step method I'm using to make sales consistently every day, guys, be sure to click the first link in the description. I can get my step-by-step training that is very cheap, that is going to help you to make sales every day consistently on Clickbank, guys. So that, guys, if you found value in the video, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel so I continue to make these videos that can help you guys to start making some extra money very fast online, guys. So that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.